Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short and easy to follow tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly how you can invite someone to your channel inside your Slack workspace really quickly to work with you on projects in Slack. So drop a like and now let's get started. Now doing this is super beginner friendly, guys. All you need to do is access your workspace, of course, in the top left corner. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. After that, you will see a list of all associated channels here in the left panel. So all you need to do, guys, is simply right click on a channel you would like to invite someone to. Like, let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. Select view channel details from that drop down menu, and inside your channel settings, head over to the members tab here at the top and use that option below, add people. So click on it, and after that simply enter the username here below, or type it in, or enter the email address of the user you would like to invite via email. And that's it. Simply confirm by clicking on add here, and the given user will be then instantaneously added to your workspace if it is a user here on Slack or via email to accept that invitation to your channel. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.